Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss Playwright interview questions and answers. Okay, it contains a beginner level questions to advanced level questions. So please stay tuned to the call. Okay, so let's get started with the basic questions. What is a playwright and why should you use it? What are the different types of locators available in Playwright? Okay, what is the difference between page locator and between these methods? How do you handle multiple browser contexts in Playwright? What is auto waiting in Playwright? Okay. And the next set of interview questions are intermediate related. How do you handle file uploads in Playwright? And similarly, how do you handle file downloads in Playwright? How do you handle alerts, prompts, and confirmations? How do you perform network interception and mocking? How do you handle frames and high frames? How do you handle new pages or tabs? What are the different wait strategies in Playwright? And the next set of interview questions are advanced based. Okay, so how do you implement page object model in Playwright? How do you handle authentication and session management? How do you implement custom fixtures in Playwright? How do you implement parallel testing and test sharding? How do you implement visual regression testing? How do you debug tests in Playwright? And the next set of interview questions are scenario based. How would you test a dynamic table with infinite scrolling? How do you handle a multi-step form with validation? How do you test a drag and drop board? How would you test a real-time chat application? And the next set of interview questions are what are the best playwright testing practices to be followed? Okay, we should use the user facing locators. Here you can see what are the good examples and what are the examples to avoid. And we need to leverage the use of auto waiting mechanism. We should go with the page object model. Benefits of we should utilize the benefit of parallelizing, and we should use for fix we should use fixtures for setup. We should implement the proper assertions for validation. We should handle the network properly. We should use the descriptive names, test names. We should use a proper and clean test data. We should use a tracing on failures. Okay, and these are the common pitfalls to avoid while working with the automation framework. Okay, so don't use the fixed timeouts, use auto waiting instead, and avoid element handles. Use locators for better read reliability, and don't ignore a network state, and avoid brittle like selectors. Don't skip the error handling, and avoid test interdependence. Okay, that each test case should be independent. Okay, and don't hard code your test data. Avoid excessive mocking. Don't ignore accessibility. Avoid skipping CI/CD integration. Okay, try to run the tests in pipeline. So these are the important interview questions. So I have uploaded this PDF in a link that I mentioned in the description and also in the comment section. Please do check out and let me know if you have any queries. Okay, the link that I have mentioned in the description and also in the comment section is very helpful for clearing any interviews for a full stack QA automation role or a SDET role. Okay, so please do check out, explore and let me know if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview. Stay tuned for more updates. Happy learning, happy testing.